Amazon FBA is not saturated, only certain products are. And today we're going to go through 5 products that are new on Amazon and perfect to sell in 2024. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm sharing my screen here, and the first product we're going to go through is this crevice brush. This is a new product that I discovered on TikTok, or maybe it might have been Instagram. It's really cool because when you choose a product like this, there are already viral videos that are going around about it, and it's very demonstratable, so you're able to create viral content very easily with it. Now, you can already tell Amazon puts the amount of units bought in the past month, or an estimate of those amounts of units for the customers to see. This is public information. So you can already see here that there is a listing with only 500 reviews, and they have sold over 4,000 units in 1 month. You can see there's another listing with only 183 reviews and over 1,000 bought in the past month. And there's a listing with their packaging, which is key. I would say packaging is the number one thing. Packaging in your main image is the number one thing that can differentiate you from all the other listings. They only have 45 reviews and they've sold over 1,000 units in the past month. Now, if you pull up the Helium 10 extension tool, it will show you a little bit more information, but at the end of the day, they pull the same info that Amazon provides to the public. So Helium 10 will basically just translate this into numbers for us. Alright, so you can see here, this brush, Helium 10 is reading that it's actually doing a lot more than 4,000. They're saying it's doing 41,000 units. So that could be very possible. Their revenue is $300,000 every single month, and they only have 500 reviews. Let's see when they started. They started in July 2023, so under a year ago. That means this product is new. There's a lot of demand for it. People are buying it now. It's going viral. You don't need to wait an entire year to make money with this product. You can instantly list it, maybe go for a different product, different packaging, instantly list it and start making money right away, because the competition isn't that high. Now, something else that tells me that the competition isn't high is that there is over here another set, and now this is a set of 6 pieces. They're making $126,000 every month, and they started after that first listing, so August 30th, 2023, which is still less than a year ago. So this is a product that I would definitely sell in 2024, and I would get on it as soon as possible. Now, before we decide, yes, let's sell this product, let's take a look on Alibaba and see the cost of it. So over here, let's say they're selling it for $10 for a pack of 6, and you can buy one piece for around 10 cents. So that is 60 cents as your cost, and you can sell it for $10. Even though that is below $15, which is what I recommend, that's still really good profit margins. All right, next product is this multifunctional drain basket. Now you can see all of the listings over here have less than 100 reviews. So not just less than 100 reviews, there's 1 review, 12 reviews, 6 reviews. There's a listing with 31 reviews, and they have sold over 700 in the past month, 700 units. There is 11 reviews. The most I'm seeing here is 600 reviews. So this is such a new product, and again, it's going viral on social media. So let's check on Helium 10 when these listings all started. I'm guessing they are super new. All right, so you can see here, this one is a little bit lower in sales, but that's still not bad, because even though the maximum is 15,000, this is an up and coming product. There is lots of demand for it and lots of potential for it to go viral on social media, because it's very demonstratable. So I would still actually sell this product, and you can see here $15,000 in revenue. They're selling it for $18, and they only have 25 reviews. So super new, and they started November 2023, so just around maybe 3 months ago. So let's see the cost of this. So they started 3 months ago. They're already making $15,000. This is really good. And let's see the cost of something like this. So you can see here, you can buy it for around 60 or 80 cents. So it is super cheap to purchase, and you can sell it for $18, which is great. Now, the one thing I would keep in mind is to make sure you are improving on this product, because there's definitely things that people don't like. I'm seeing lots of listings with only 1 star. So just make sure you are improving on it and providing something that's high quality, and then people will actually purchase it and it would do really well. All right, next is the garment duffel bag. Now, I loved this product. When I saw the video of it on social media, I instantly wanted to buy it, and I'm sure a lot of customers felt the same way, because the sales are amazing. So you can see here, there is a pink version of it that has sold over 200 units, and they have only 300 reviews. There's a matte black version of it that only has 180 reviews and they've sold over 600 units. Now this is just me again looking at the information that Amazon is providing publicly. Let's take a look at Helium 10's estimates. So yep, that first bag that I saw, the pink one, they are making $50,000 every single month. They're selling the product for $46 and they started in March 2022, so a little bit over a year ago, actually almost 2 years ago. There is also the matte black version that we saw, which is right here. So this matte black one is selling for $45. They're making $36,000. Their date when they first started is not available, so I'm not sure about that, but they only have 181 reviews, so they probably started pretty soon. I wouldn't say it's too long ago, and $36,000 for 100 reviews is amazing. That means the demand is there and people are loving this product. And the great thing is that the top seller is making $76,000, so since that's over $50,000, that means there's lots of demand for this product already. Now the price point is great, $45. You can clearly sell it for up to $70 because at $69 over here it's doing well in sales also. So let's see how much this costs on Alibaba. And I love products like this because you can come up with so many different variations in design and stand out easily. So let's assume that we're going to sell it for around $46.99 or like $47, somewhere around there. So you can clearly buy it for around $10, maybe around $12, which is great. The main thing is you don't want the price, including the shipping, to exceed 30% of your selling price. You know, Amazon will take 30%, you can keep 30%, and your cost of product would be 30%. Yeah, so I love this design. I would take actually inspiration from a new trending designer bag, maybe something from Bottega, something like that, and incorporate that design into a duffel bag like this, and I think it would do really well. Alright, next is the heatless hair curler. Now this is such a trend right now. Everybody is doing this. So a lot of people are buying these sets on Amazon, and so many new designs keep coming out of it that could perform better than the ones already available on Amazon. So for some reason with this product, actually all of them are not showing the date when they were first available. Now this is tending to happen more recently with Helium 10. I think it's because Amazon maybe is not making that information available. I'm not sure what's going on, but if that happens with any of the products you're looking at, you can just go based off of the amount of reviews. You can tell if somebody has less than like 200 reviews or around 200 reviews, that means they are still super new. So you can see here there is a product that only has 72 reviews. They are actually rated at 3.8 stars, so that means there's lots of room for improvement. But although there are 3.8 stars, they're still making around $59,000 every single month. This is what the product looks like right here. Now there's also another one here that only has 59 reviews, and this is like a different style or a different design of the product. They are rated at 4 stars, which is okay, but still I'm sure there's room for improvement, and they are making $54,000 every single month. So although they don't have a lot of reviews and they are not, you know, over 4.5 stars, they're still making over $50,000. That means there is so much demand for this product and so many different variations of it that you can do. You can change it in so many different ways. Now let's see how much you can buy this for. I'm seeing over here the average selling price is around $20 to $25. So let's see how much you can buy this for on Alibaba. Now the best thing is with this type of product is there are constantly new designs coming out on Alibaba of a product like this, so you can simply ask the supplier that you find, give me your latest designs of the heatless hair curler, so that you can offer something that's not already being sold on the Amazon market. Alright, so you can buy the set for around $2. See, this is the exact set that we were referencing to, and they're selling it for $1.30 to $2.78. So you can buy it for around $2, which is great because if you're buying it for $2 and you're selling it for $22, these are really good profit margins. Alright, and our last product is the baby bottle warmer. So I was able to find this through the black box tool on Helium 10. So let's pull it up right now on Amazon. So it is specifically a portable milk warmer with super fast charging. It's cordless, so this is great for on the go for moms, and this is a private label brand. So essentially they bought the product from Alibaba, they put their brand on it, and they're selling it on Amazon. They are selling it for $70. They only have 270 reviews. and they're making over $200,000 a month on Amazon. Now, this is such an amazing product because it's so practical and there aren't too many of it available on Amazon, so you could really do a lot of different variations in design. And since this seller is doing really well, you can just take inspiration from them when it comes to the design, their packaging, and their main image. So you can literally order this product and compare it to the samples that you get from your supplier. So now let's see how much we can buy this for on Alibaba. It's really easy if you just take like the first 3 keywords of the listing. So I'm just gonna do that, copy it and paste it on Alibaba. Alright, so you can see here instantly there are so many different designs available on Alibaba, and you are selling the product for $70. So over here you can see you can buy it for $16, $20. I think the price is around $20 basically. This is the average. So now this is in comparison to all the other products that I'm suggesting. This is a little bit more expensive to start off. Your inventory is going to cost you a little bit more, but the demand is there, and since it is a more expensive product to start, you're going to find that the competition is low. So I would also recommend this as a product to start off with in 2024, especially to choose a design that's not already available on Amazon, so it's easy to stand out. Alright guys, so that is it for all of my suggestions. I really hope this was helpful. If you guys like this video and you want more videos like this, then please like it and leave a comment below. I will be looking at those. Thank you so much, and I will see you next week. Bye.